guys, it's Aydan. Today we're going to make banana muffins. Let's get started. The ingredients you need are melted butter, shredded coconuts, sugar, 2 eggs, mashed bananas, flour, 1 vanilla bean, salt, and baking soda. For this we use 3 small bananas. We're going to use a whisk to mash it. We all have old bananas in our home. You can use those bananas so it won't go to waste. Now we're going to pour our baking soda and salt into our flour. Then we're going to mix it. Now take a big bowl and pour all these 5 ingredients into the bowl. Don't forget about the vanilla. Get a parent's permission before using the knife. Now we're going to mix all of our things together. Make sure you mix it well. Now we're going to pour our flour, salt, and baking soda into this mixture. Pour it slowly. This is how it should look like. I personally like to use an ice cream scooper, but if you want, you can use a spoon. Now we will bake these at 375 degrees in Fahrenheit. We baked our muffins for 25 minutes. Mine is a little darker than what it's supposed to be, but it still works. You can choose to eat your muffins plain, but I want to add decoration to mine. I melted some milk chocolate and I'm going to use it to dip it into my muffins. I had some sprinkles lying around also. I'm going to use it as decoration. You can decorate your muffins however you want. I finished decorating all my muffins. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. See you till next time. Bye!